This video will show you how to verify domain ownership via DNS Record in Google Search Console. Do you see the following Verify Domain Ownership via DNS Record message in Google Search Console? You can view details of your website on Google Search Console only after you complete the verification process. You'll be given the following options to verify domain ownership. We shall choose to copy the TXT record below into the DNS configuration option. Here are the steps on how to do it. Access your cPanel. This will usually be yourdomain.com/cPanel. On cPanel, we want to access the DNS Zone Editor. To easily access the editor, type DNS into the search bar. Then click on DNS Zone Editor. Choose your domain name. Click on Manage. Next, click on Add Record. Next, fill in the domain and TTL. Under Type, select TXT. Then paste the TXT code from the Search Console. When done, click on Save Record. Next, go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. Your domain ownership should be verified within minutes. That is how you verify a domain in Google Search Console. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.